Make this insane juice manipulation in Canva. First, go to canva.com. Select the size 1080 pixels into 1080 pixels. Select the background color. Go to Elements and search for the yellow glow. Select this. Adjust the size and position. Lock it. Now, upload the product image. Remove background. Go to Edit. Select Rustiq filter. Adjust the brightness to 10. Contrast 10. Sharpness 20. Clarity 20. Search for line shadow. Select this. Change the transparency to 60. Now add this shadow. Adjust the size and position. Change the transparency to 70. Now search for the drop shadow. Add this. Change the transparency to 80. Duplicate this. Search for the water drop. Select this. Search for pineapple. Add this. Go to Edit. Apply Scandi filter. Adjust the size and position. Duplicate this. Change the filer to Bali and crop this. Search for the shadow. Change the position to backward. Duplicate this. Change the position to backward. Again, duplicate this. And change the transparency to 60. Search for wheat. Select this. Apply Aria filter. Make it 55% blurry. Set it to the top right corner. Duplicate it. Place it in the bottom left corner. Search for the corner shadow. Select this. Change the transparency to 70%. Duplicate this. Search for the yellow splash. Select this. Change the position to the backward of the product image. Now add this element. Change the position to backward to the product image. Search for the water splash. Add this. Go to Edit and change the saturation -100. Change the position to the yellow splash. Add your company logo here. I'm using a demo logo. Add a circle shape. Change the color to white. Duplicate this 3 times. Add the social media icons. Congratulations! Your design is ready to upload. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.